Hi boys and girls, this is the review and just the review and reflection for chapter 8. So we're just going to kind of talk about what we've learned so far. It says to look at the two tents and circle the tent that is taller. And you can even read that word, taller. So we would circle this tent because it is taller this way. A fun thing for you to do at home might see who's taller. Is mom taller? Is dad taller? Are you taller than brother or sister? Or are you taller than mom or dad or shorter? All right, on number 2 it says on number 1 it says draw an X on the tent that is shorter. So obviously this is the shorter tent. All right, number 2, look at the two coolers. We have a helper, that's Lily. We have two coolers. Circle the cooler that holds more. Which one would hold more? Yes, this would hold way more than this one. This one's smaller. And on this other cooler, it says draw an X on the cooler that holds less. So this is the cooler that holds less. Number 3, circle the bag that is heavier. Which bag would be heavier? The bigger bag would be heavier. So we're going to circle that, and it even says heavier right there. Put an X on the bag that is lighter. That would be easier to pick up. This is our lighter bag. It gets an X. Very nice job. Okay, Lily, we have to turn the paper over. She's helping us, boys and girls. All right, let's look at number 1 on the back, and we're looking at the two snakes. Compare those objects. What sentences could we say? The orange snake is longer, the blue snake is shorter. It tells us to draw an X on the object that is shorter. The blue snake is shorter. And let's look at circling the object that is longer. I think if snakes really looked like this, Mrs. Sweeney might like them. Those are cute snakes. All right, number 2, draw an X on the object that is heavier. Which one of the, could you pick this cow up? Absolutely not. So we are going to draw an X on that cow. That is heavier. Circle the object that is lighter, that would weigh less. This is lighter. Very good. And in number 3, this is talking about capacity, what something holds. Draw an X on the object that holds more. Which one would have more T in it? Yes, draw an X, more. And circle the object that holds less. Very good. Circle that object. All right. Lily, you're really in the picture. All right, now let's look at number 4 right here, this empty table. Look at the bowl. Draw a bowl that holds more next to this bowl. Ooh, we get to draw a really big bowl. So I've drawn my oval, and then this is going to come down like this on the sides. And then I'm going to color that in. Lily, you're really being a good helper. So now this bowl holds more. It's bigger. It could hold more. Number 5, look at the tent. draw a shorter tent next to it. So it would be like a baby tent. So I'm going to draw across. I'm going to do a triangle at the front. And then this is the side of the tent. So it is shorter. This is this way. This one's taller. This one's shorter. And you can probably jazz yours up to make it look better than Mrs. Sweeney's. But this is a shorter tent. Shorter. All right. Last one, Lily. Let us turn over. All right. In box number 1, it says draw one long object and draw a shorter object below it. So let's think about something that is long. I think I will draw a long train. So there's my long train, and below it I'm going to draw a shorter train. A shorter train. It only has 2 cars on it, so it is much shorter. The longer train is on top, the shorter train is on the bottom. You could do pencils, you could do a flower laying on its side, but you want a longer object on top and a shorter object on the bottom. Now on the bottom it says draw a tall object and a shorter object next to it. All right, I'm going to do just what I said. I'm going to do a very tall flower and a very short flower. And then you could do any color of flower you wanted. Now this flower is taller. This flower is shorter. I want you to take this paper and go tell mom or dad or brother or sister about your trains. I want you to use these sentences. My top train is longer. My bottom train is shorter. This flower is taller. This flower is shorter. And you could even, oh, Lily, that's not nice. She's biting me. You could even color this one and say my blue flower is taller. No, Lily, that's not nice. And my red flower is shorter. Okay. Oh, you're being ugly. The friends aren't going to like you. All right, very good job on your math lesson, and we will start a new unit tomorrow. We have finished with measurement. Excellent job. Bye-bye.